Hi everyone, in this Oclef video we are going to be going over the Rhythms tool. The Rhythm tool is a tool that is used to address rhythm issues within a piece. This is done by isolating the rhythms within a piece and allowing the students to focus purely on the rhythm without any of the notes. This allows them to continue to work on the coordination and the rhythm within that section of that piece. The Rhythms tool is the act of isolating rhythm within a section of music and is done by tapping and counting out the rhythm within the piece. I'm now going to demonstrate this by using the piece Box, Minuet, in G. I'll be counting out loud and tapping or clapping the right hand first, then the left hand, and then doing this hands together. First, I'm going to demonstrate by clapping the right hand. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. And now the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then now I'm going to tap it hands together on the piano. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Remember that this is a tool used to address and break down issues within a piece when it's dealing with rhythm. By isolating the rhythm, we make it easier to focus on that specific part of the music without having to worry about the notes. And this concludes our video on the Rhythms tool. Thanks for watching.